Hello boys and girls, welcome back. So today we are going to explore the Golden Computer Center. It's a place where you get all the technology tech stuff for cheap, and it's a paradise for bloggers and every tech enthusiast. So let's see what the mall has to offer, and I'll kind of take you all quickly through this place, and stay tuned for what this mall has to offer. So this is right behind me. So there you go, that's the mall. And to reach here, you actually need to take the Sham Shui Po station, and the exit is D2. So ensure that you come here to directly get into the mall. So yeah, stay tuned. So guys, this is the entrance of this place. Guys, they have PS. I'm not going to convert any of the rates. It's 180 for this stuff. The gaming console games. So I'm not gonna again put the prices in INR, so you guys please convert it. So I hope you kind of like what you're seeing. It's actually a paradise for you all. Oh man, PS5s. The collection of games are pretty cool. It's a paradise, like I said. So here you can see the prices. It's $380 for a console. Nintendo PSP. PSP is like $3,800. Like you can see. Oh, they have a Oculus, crazy. They also have a VR headset. It's crazy, man. Like I said, it's a paradise for all the gamers. And this is how it currently looks. It's like a complete mall where you can come and explore, and different section has its own kind of pieces. 258 for that. Guys, 258 for a SanDisk memory card, which is really cheap. I'm just gonna do some math here to see how much is it. 258. This is 2,900 for 512. That's pretty dope. One 270. Oh, probably I'm gonna buy couple of memory cards. Pretty cool, guys. Look at the stuff that they have here. Even the hard drive is so damn cheap. You also have some action figures. This is so cool. Again, it's gaming stuff. Look at the PS games, Blu-ray. A lot of consoles here. You can see the prices of the laptops. Oh, sorry. It's like a paradise here, guys, for all the people who are looking to get these kind of stuff. Guys, this is the computer prices. That's the prices of the memory card. So guys, you can also get a lot of fancy stuff here for really cheap. These are the tempered glass and stuff. Yeah. So guys, this is all your cables, Netlink. Actually, it's what I'm cheap. This is the prices, as you guys can see. Just zoom in, pause, and then you can have a look at it.
應該冇200安俾你，如果就咁一隻安一個，斬電咧，佢嗰個係行咩？斬電嘅話，即係佢斬一斬佢，佢自動就會去，唔會你覺得嘢插晒落去㗎啦，係啊，所以出邊點閃或者停晒咗，佢之後就。
Right, so if you see here, you have monitors as well here. There are routers, monitors, whatnot. Name a thing, you have it here when it comes to gadget. This is Alienware. People, it's your paradise. Look at this screen. It's pretty cool. They have a clamp, mounts, HDMI connectors. A lot of cool stuff. This is ROG. Look at the phones. It's pretty cool. Oh damn, that looks so fancy. And the prices you guys can see here already. And this is MSI. Games. Just look at these guys. It's crazy the way how they have kind of put all the stuff here. I have MSI here. Oof. $398 for the sandals, and everywhere it is different price, guys. This is the Z Flips, the new one. Oh, it's good. These are the prices, guys, as you can see here. These are the Samsungs, Huawei. So guys, you have this cool stuff. Just look at these guys. Pretty dope. They have cool keyboards as well. So guys, thank you so much for watching this vlog. I really appreciate it. So this is the place where we have started, and finally I'm back to the place where we have begun this vlog. So I really appreciate if you could leave a thumbs up and also give a subscribe to my channel. So you would have seen a lot of stuff for pretty cheap, and I highly recommend if you want to kind of explore and see what this mall has to offer, definitely come here. And there are pretty cool, reasonable price for getting all your vlog set up and your memory card, phones, all the stuff. So do come here, check this place out. It's worth the time. And until we meet again next time, see you. Cheers, bye bye.